Flying helicopters demand a pilot's very best. Helicopter simulators allow you to work through situations that you don't ever want to see in real life. Let's talk about helicopter flight simulators and risk management next on the Rotorcraft Collective.
Recent helicopter accidents have resulted from the loss of control, inadvertent flight into IMC, loss of tail rotor effectiveness, and vortex ring state conditions. The common thread is that all of these are preventable accidents. Pilots need to develop better risk management and aeronautical decision-making skills to ensure safe and efficient operations. Scenario-based simulator training develops these two vital skills and keeps you from high-risk scenarios that require extraordinary flying ability just to survive. Truly superior pilots use superior judgment to avoid situations where superior airmanship becomes necessary. Think you don't need a simulator? You can experience things in a sim you never, ever want to see in an aircraft. There is no equivalent training in an aircraft. The truth is realistic. Scenario-based training in a full motion simulator or even a basic aviation training device can expose a pilot to hazardous scenarios in a safe and controlled environment. The takeaways are absolutely vital to risk management and decision-making lessons. Simulator scenarios come from a kind of most wanted list: inadvertent IMC, maneuvering at low altitude and low airspeed, hovering out of ground effect, and more. Realistic scenarios that thrust pilots into situations where they must decide to continue deeper into the hazardous situation, pause and develop a more conservative plan, or perhaps make the toughest decision of all to discontinue the mission. Becoming the master of your aircraft is a good beginning. Becoming the master of your mission profile comes from experiencing these scenarios firsthand. We've all heard of learning from the mistakes of others, but simulators let you learn from your own mistakes in a safe environment. The paramount skill is not merely aircraft control, but rather proficiency in risk management and aeronautical decision-making to help you avoid unsurvivable situations. Developing these skills will lead you to a long and successful aviation career.
Learn from your own mistakes, but do it safely in a simulator. You may also want to view the Rotorcraft Collective video on how simulators can keep you sharp and maintain your proficiency. For the FAA Safety Team and the U.S. Helicopter Safety Team, I'm Randy Rolls.